I have noticed something in a lot of women's lives lately. I'm talking about that quiet thought that shows up when things slows down. I mean that thought that keeps on telling you you should be further than this. Sis, if that thought has ever crossed your mind, I'm telling you honestly, this conversation matters to you. I kept noticing women quietly feeling they missed their moments. If you're a woman seeing this video now, I want to ask you something and I want you to answer it honestly in your heart. Have you ever looked at your life and thought everyone else is ahead of me and I'm still here trying to figure it out again? If that thought has ever crossed your mind recently, even if it's once, I want you to stay with me, sis. Stick with me till the end of this video. In today's video, I'm not trying to motivate you. I'm not trying to give you quick answers. I simply want to help you see that thought differently because truth be told, how you interpret that thought affects how you move forward. But before I continue with today's conversation, I want you to subscribe to this channel. If you're not subscribed already, give this video a thumbs up. You know why? So that you'll be notified whenever we upload our weekly videos. And by the way, if you are seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Peace Ubeogenedoro, and this is Savvy Life Coach channel. In this channel, we talk about personal growth, confidence, mindset, and rebuilding your life intentionally as a woman. Especially as a woman who may have paused her own dreams to take care of family, life, or even responsibilities. With that being said, let me talk about something that many women don't say out loud. I mean that quiet feeling of being late, that pressure that whispers, you should be further by now. But there's something many people won't tell you. Many women didn't stop growing because they were lazy. They stopped growing because life demanded something else. Family, marriage, responsibilities, children, survival, even healing. You didn't pause because you lacked vision. You paused, you stopped because you were being responsible. And now that the season is shifting, it can feel confusing. I mean, like you don't know where to start again. I understand that feeling. I know. But sis, I want you to know something. It doesn't mean that you failed. It only means that you adapted. And adaptation is not weakness, please. The only thing is that when you stay too long in survival mode, you begin doubting yourself. You start doubting your capability. That is when you hear a lot of women say something like this: I don't know who I am anymore. But the truth is that that woman is still there. She's just quieter now, she's been holding things together. Restarting is not about becoming someone new, no. It's about reconnecting with who you already are, but this time around with more wisdom. Sis, that reconnection actually starts with complete, I want to call it full package honesty, not motivation. So instead of asking, what should I be doing with my life? Try asking, what do I actually have capacity for right now? What do I want to rebuild first? Is it confidence? Is it my skills? Is it direction? Ask again, what season am I truly in? Sis, do you know why? You don't need a perfect plan. You need a realistic plan. And that is exactly what makes progress sustainable. Now, let's talk about confidence, because that is usually the next struggle. Sis, let me tell you something. Confidence doesn't magically return because you decided to restart. It begins to grow. It grows when you begin to keep those little promises to yourself. You show up imperfectly, even when you are unsure of yourself. When you take one step, then another and another. You don't have to announce your restarting, sis. It's a daily choice. Some days you feel strong. Some days you feel unsure. But that's okay. It's normal. You know what? Progress doesn't always feel powerful. Like, it's not always loud. Sometimes it just feels quiet. And you know that quiet progress counts, right? That's it. So sis, if all I've been saying spoke to you, I want you to do something very simple. Go to the comments and type, I am restarting. It's not a validation, sis. It's just a reminder to yourself. Also, if you want more honest conversation about personal growth, confidence, mindset, rebuilding your life without pressure, without being in competition, remember to subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed already. And if you are looking for structure, if you're looking for a community to help you in your growth journey, I want you to check the description for how to connect with Bloom and become with peace. I'll see you in my next video, sis. Catch ya.